Okay. Well. I don't know. Okay. There's Blissy 45 over there on her little laptop. She's in her own little world.
We'll go back to magical world now.
Yeah, she's going back to the magical world of herself.
Yeah.
I don't know what that was, but
There's something on my arm. I think it was a piece of hair.
probably Alexa hair.
Yeah, oh god, not like the hair.
Yes, I have a wig, and it's in her, and the hair's everywhere. And so every time we see Alexa hair, we say, "Ew, Alexa hair." She's a gothic slayer that tortures.
Sounded like Dora. Every time you see Alexa hair, you gotta go, ew, Alexa hair.
Okay, now I know what the video title's gonna be like. I sound like Dora! Okay! Anyway, what was I saying? I think I said, well, Lexa is,
a gothic slayer.
yeah, she's a gothic slayer that tortures one of Bloodstained 45's characters. And hey,
Poor Alex.
yeah, and his name is Alex Harper. Her name is Lexa Uchiha, and shut
I'm
up!
gonna change her last name.
Oh, shut up.
That was a fail.
It went right past her freaking head. Well, on Facebook it says Lexa Uchiha, so I can't change that. I forgot what I was gonna say now. Okay, well I guess I could change her name to what, Harper?
Oh god.
It actually sounds cute, but yet very odd.
Well, we'll come up with another name for her later. We can keep the Lexi. Yeah. Oh wait, Estonia.
She's been doing that all day, so.
Estonia!
Size pack is going down her shirt after 3 throws.
No!
After 3 throws.
Wait, I can do it now.
Okay.
Not very cool.
You have a light taking over your face.
I fixed it. There's a cold thing in my stomach! I'm not getting that.
I don't even know where it went. Where did it even go? Oh my god, it went behind my stand. Oh, I have barely any light over here now.
Middle America? What?
I don't know.
What?
Anyway, I think I'm gonna try to do a photo shoot out in the rain on Friday. Just a test run to see, just a little test run, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna do a test run of a photo shoot out in the rain on Friday. Gonna test on how good my camera works again, 'cause I haven't used it since last month.
Let's see another really freaking cute thing.
Sure. Also, last time I did take a picture, I got a picture of 3 ghosts, and it looks freaky as heck.
What? Oh my god! Look at all the Americas!
Look at her screen, so we can see it.
Oh, there's too many Americas on it. You cannot really see it, but there's like all my shimjis. Oh my god. Okay, look. They're all there's America, that's America, that's an America, that's an America, that's America, that's America, that's America, and that's America, and that's America. There's a Russia, and Russia. And then there's
Russia looks like he's got it, his
Russia.
tongue sticking out because of the little heart that.
And look at Italy. Just like before Italy is all just like come across the screen. Oh, dear. Oh, look how cute that is. What?
Nothing. I'm gonna be. Oh my god, that looks up. Look at that, Jessica.
Oh, that's all. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it.
Anyway,
Eridan!
apparently that. I'm never gonna get to talk.
Yeah.
Eridan! I don't even know who that is.
He's a troll.
Okay, that makes perfect sense.
From Homestuck! And he is an Aquarius. Eridan. Ow! I just hyper because there's too many Americans on my screen. Go away. No, there's too many Russians on my screen. Oh, my screen became about Russia. Poor Russia, he's all alone. Good, so I'm making it rain awesome.
Oh my god, the one of Russia that's actually the real Russia is the one that's crawling across the top of a computer screen. They look like they're freaking on crap.
They look like the Denmark.
I don't even know what Denmark looks like.
Looks like Russia that's falling. It's a raised Russia. And he has a cry. Oh god. Oh god.
Italy's all by himself.
I can
He's surrounded by Prussia.
That's not literally. Watch.
The heck?
They're falling my mouth.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, like 14 of them.
One of them just thought of pancakes.
I don't think of beer. Wait, if they think of pancakes, they're thinking of Canada. One was the one that had to be out of it. They're changing into pirate Russian life!
Oh my god!
It's cute! Oh no, don't fall around.
Italy went into the freaking pile of precious. And then they all disappeared. Italy looks like he's high. When doesn't he look like he's high?
When he's high. He switched back to the pirate one too.
Anyway, I'm gonna be uploading some cosplay videos soon. Woo! Finally! But, oh, my head hurts so bad.
Thanks to me.
You spit on my computer.
You want it there still?
No, I don't want your spit on my computer.
I want your spit on my head. You sneezed on my head. You're a dog.
She's my stress reliever, apparently, because every time I'm mad, I take out my anger on her.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start taking out my anger back. I threw a foundation at your head.
Yeah, she threw my little foundation thing on my head, and I have a bump.
My little foundation, something about the pony.
That's just not, but okay. I'll be France, I guess, in the cosplay videos. This one will be England.
Lego.
Bonjour, mon ami.
Ah, get away from me!
Wake up!
You're just joking, I do that, right?
I know, because you have me laughing!
You gotta learn how to do it!
Where's my pill thing when I need it?
Somewhere.
On the floor.
Yeah.
I gotta start working on Horror House again. Gonna try to get.
Start working on your cosplay again.
I am. My aunt's supposed to be helping me.
It's the 18th. It's August 20th. Wait, no, 24th. Okay, so I'm gonna start counting down how many days you had to finish your cosplay.
Well, I haven't done by 19. Ouch.
How do you know you haven't done by 19?
Dude, it don't take me that long. Also, I'm going to be going to Anime Palace this weekend for the photo shoot.
We don't have very much cosplay.
I know, but
We have llama. What they do?
oh my god, I really need to play back this, and you need to see my reaction when you said that.
I've seen it. It's all like, oh, really?
I like llamas. Okay, the first thing you need to do to get to Candy Mountain is is go over Sugar Town Lake.
We're on a bridge, Johnny.
Then you go through Chocolate Forest.
There's a chocolate forest?
And then
I What? It's okay!
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave now.
I was so scared.
Oh, he's talking to me, but okay. Oh my god. I used to get so mad at Rachel because she'd go, sauce and gay. I'm like, he's not neither of those. Well, he might be a little bit gay, but he's not sauce.
No, I think Italy, Vermont.
Wait, one more minute, it'd be 654. Oh, yes, 654.
Okay, it's 6:54.
654 3 2 0.
That's wonderful, Cat.
Get the hell out of my face. My computer's
Okay, to get to Candy Mountain, you will have to cross Sugar Town Lake, then, then go to the Chocolate Forest.
What?
Then you're at Candy Mountain!
What the hell are you talking about?
I'm just gonna end this now.
Pineapple Express.
Oh my god, to get to Pineapple Mountain, you
You gotta defeat Fred the Evil Pineapple.
Exactly.
Oh, remember? What was it called? Moo Car Wash, something like that.
Moo Express Car Wash!
Yes.
Moo, moo, moo. Say moo the whole way through the car wash.
We need to do that.
I don't even know where that is. I think it's up in
Find
Dublin.
it, and then we need to go like moo.
I love random things.
I like pineapples too, Mom. You're not my mom, I know, but it's kind of fun to call you Mom. Because you are like a mom.
I'm going to end this now. Because this is going to get pretty ugly.